Load your family into the 2020 Subaru Outback. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, an outside temperature display, heated front and rear seats, heated steering wheel, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.